This is how you can turn written documents into digitalised mind maps with AI. Ayoa's AI assistant can help you turn your projects into online mind maps. From written notes to post-it notes and even project sketches, Ayoa helps you unlock your creativity. You can turn your real-life post-it notes into a digital collaborative mind map. Simply take a photo of your notes, then click on New Project. Give your project a title and then select Mind Map. Go to the Import option, then select Files. Upload your photo and then select the Sticky Notes Image option. Click Import and the AI will create your mind map so you can expand on your ideas. If you have a drawn mind map, you can go from paper to digital in a couple of seconds. Take a photo or a scan of your drawn map, then click on New Project. Give your project a title and then select Mind Map. Go to the Import option, then select Files. Upload your map and then select the Mind Map Image option. Click Import to convert your handwritten map into a collaborative one. You can also turn your notes into visual maps. In the Home menu, click on New Project. Give your project a title and then select Mind Map. Go to the Import option, then select Files. You can upload your notes file here, click Import and watch as the AI turns those overwhelming notes into beautiful mind maps.